Let's take a look at the Nietzsche Suite at the Chèvre D'Or. We come into the large dining area suitable for at least 4 people, and into the living area, entertainment suite. Plenty of space for everyone, plenty of light with the mirrors reflecting floor to ceiling windows behind. And some more sofas, a Marshall speaker, and we flip around to a little area perfect for seating and watching the sky, and straight into the private plunge pool. Small plunge pool with absolute privacy and beautiful views out over the bay. And we're back into the bedroom. Vast bed, very comfortable, fantastic views, and an opulent bathroom with double sinks, shower, separate toilet, and beautiful bath. And the view from the terrace. This is the view from my camera from the private terrace that is all yours here at the Chèvre D'Or.